guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to make beds and animal jam. For some reason they don't allow to make real beds in animal jam, so let's be creative. This is a Persian kitty's rug. It's actually called a kitty's rug, but it's a Persian kitty toy. A fluffy rug. The heart thing over there is a friendship park bench, and then the purple table is a coffee table. You can get any color of these. Okay. So I'll talk about the master blocks after we're done, and maybe I'll talk about the plushies, no guarantee. But I'll probably sell each and every one of these items except for the blue Persian kitty rug. So just comment down below if you want one. Oh my God. Sorry about that, my cats are playing. It's their house too, I guess. Well, now I was saying, blue Persian kitty rug. Oh my gosh, my cats are zooming through the house like elephants. Okay, so you put that on top of there, and if you want, you can put any plushie, but it depends what color your house is if you wanted to do this. I'm sitting right by my dog, so if you hear whining, then that's my dog. Yeah, go ahead, Goldie. You can put a rug on top of that, and if you can put any plushie on top of that, but bless you, Goldie. Like that. That was the second design. Now to the master blocks. So they were 50 sapphires to purchase. They are actually pretty tiny and really easy to make. But if you guys want one, then they're selling for 50 sapphires in my shop. Well, bye guys. I hope you guys love this video.